Are you struggling to get good audio in your videos? Well, you are in luck because today I'm going to go over the different mics that I use and what I use them for. The first type of mic we're going to look at is a podcasting mic, which is actually what I'm using to record this video right now. I'm using the Shure MV7. I typically use this mic in videos like this, in interviews, in podcasts, but mainly voiceovers. So if you have a video that needs any narration, this is the mic to use. The setup is simple. You just have to plug the mic into your computer for the power source. Then you plug it directly into your camera so it captures all the audio and you don't have to sync it in post. The next mic we're going to take a look at is something that you probably see a ton of creators using, which is a wireless mic, and specifically the Rode Wireless Go. I do need to mention one thing is this fuzzy thing, the dead cat. You'll see a lot of people using it, and I think it is insanely distracting in videos. And it's honestly only really needed outdoors because it blocks the wind. So if you're indoors in a controlled environment, get rid of that thing. You don't need it. You don't need it. The audio sounds great. Not only does that look really silly, but if you're doing any commercial shooting and you can see the fuzzy ball on the mic, it's gonna look really amateur. So just ditch that. You don't need it. What makes this mic awesome is it has a clip on the back. So you can actually clip it to your hat, which you see this every once in a while from creators. Don't think it looks amazing? You can also clip it onto your clothing, and you'll see a lot of creators doing this, which I think this is also a terrible look because you can see the whole mic. So if you want to look a little more professional, clip it with the big piece on the inside so you can only see the clip part of the mic. This looks a lot better, a lot cleaner, and you still get really clear audio. And if you want to be really discreet, you can attach a lav to it. You can clip it there. If it's still distracting, you could just wire it through your jacket and then clip it on here as well. The next option for mics we're gonna look at are shotgun mics. Right now I'm shooting this on the Rode VideoMic NTG, and this is my go-to mic for my camera rig when I'm out in the field shooting. It's much better than the audio captured from just the camera, and all you have to do is plug it in, mount it to your rig, and you're good to go. Just remember when you get a shotgun mic, if it has its own battery source, you'll have to remember to turn that on along with your camera. What's really nice about the Rode NTG is that once you plug it into your camera, it recognizes it and it turns it on for you. Or if you're shooting on Sony and you get the Sony shotgun mic, you just screw this in the top of your camera and it'll turn it on and use the battery from the camera to power the mic, which is awesome. The last mic I'm going to talk about is more of a recorder, but it is a Zoom recorder. This is the Tascam DR40X, and I use this to capture sound effects out in the wild, basically. This sucker is awesome to get high quality audio when you want to get any type of sound effects for your videos. Not only that, but it does have XLR capabilities. So if you're filming a wedding, you can plug it directly into the source and get high quality audio from that. So if you're filming the speeches and you want to get high quality audio, this is going to be a great option rather than just trying to capture the audio that's in the room. All right, so those are my go-to mics, and I'm just curious, are there any that I missed? If so, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Later.